Namaste students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. In the previous video we have completed our exercise 2.2. In this video we are going to start exercise 2.3. Our question number 1 is find the value of. The first question is find first 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 5 by 3 and 4 by 3. There are many more questions. D is also there. No, D is not there. So this is the first question, first part. Exercise 2.3, first question, first part. You have to find the value of 1 by 4 of first question, first A. Okay? 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. What is the meaning of? I had already explained. Of means multiply. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 1 jump 1, 4 4 jump 16. This is the answer of first A. Now if I talk about the first B, first B. 1 by 4 of 5 by 3. 1 by 4 of 5 by 3. What we will do? We will do 1 by 4 into 5 by 3. 5 ones are 5. 4 threes are 12. First C. Right? C is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. What is the meaning of off? Off means multiply. 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 4 4 cancel. 1 by 3 answer. So this was our question number first, in which we have to find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 5 by 3 and 4 by 3. I hope all of you have understand. Now we will move towards the second part of the question. Okay, all of you have written, or you can take a screenshot also. If you don't want to write, then you can take a screenshot. Now we are moving towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is 1 by 7 of, as we have seen in the question number 1, it was 1 by 4 of. Now we have to do 1 by 7 of. How we will do 1 by 7 of? It is just similar. Of means multiply. As the numbers are given in the question, we have to just multiply. Got it? So let's start the second part A question. Second part A. Question number 1 is 1 by 7 of. 1 by 7 of. Option A is, means question number A, 2 by 9. B is 6 by 5. And C is 3 by 10. What you will do? Can you tell me? We will do 1 by 7 of 2 by 5. First, second, A. 1 by 7 of 2 by 5. Of means multiply 1 by 7 into 2 by 5. 2 1 ja 2, 7 5 ja 35. Answer of A. Got it? Now B. First, second, B. 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. It is also very easy. 1 by 7 into 6 by 5. 6 1 ja 6, 7 5 ja 35. Got it? Now we are moving the first, second, C1. 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Of means multiply 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. 3 1 ja 3, 7 10 ja 17. So this is the answer of question number 1, in which we have to find the value of 1 by 4 of and 1 by 7 of. I hope all of you have understand about this first and second question. Now we will move toward the question number 2. If you are having any doubt related to this video, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section. Got it? I hope all of you are understanding. If you are having doubt, then please drop your doubt. You can see this is the first one, this is the second one, and then this is the C1. Got it? So can we move ahead now? Yes. Question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is multiply and reduce to the lowest term if possible. Means just like as we have done in the previous video, we have to multiply and we have to reduce till its lowest term. means after multiplying we have to reduce it till the last term, as we will get the answer. Means till last term we have to multiply. Got it? So now we are moving towards exercise 2.3, question number 2. As question number 1 we have finished. Now we will move towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is multiply and reduce to lowest form, and reduce to lowest form if possible. If possible. Okay. So now first question is 2 by 3 of 2 by 3 into 2 into 2 by 3. This is the first question, right? What we'll do in this question, can you tell me? We will do 2 by 3 and we'll break this mixed fraction into the fraction. So 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. 8 2 is 16 and 3 3 is 9. If it is not breakable, means not reducible, then we have to write like this only. And if you want to convert this fraction into the mixed fraction, then 9 ones are 9, 9 7 16. So this is our mixed form of that fraction. Got it? This is the question number 2 first. Now we will move towards the second. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. 2 by 7, it's very easy, into 7 by 9. Can you tell me, anyone, what we'll do? We will just cut it, right? What we'll do? We'll cancel this 7, cancel. 2 by 9, answer. Got it? Now we'll move towards the third one. What is the third one? Third one is 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Is there anything catchable? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now nothing reducible. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Answer. Got it? So you have solved first, second and third. There are questions till 7. Please take a screenshot or write in your notebook. So I will move ahead as we have seen that how we can reduce it till lowest form. Okay? Now we are moving towards question number 4. All of you have written. Question number 4 is 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. Question number 4. 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. Right? This is the question? Yeah. So is it anything reducible? No. 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25. If you want to change in the mixed fraction, 25 under 25, 2 remainder. This is your answer of 4th. Now we are going towards the 5th one. 5th one is 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Is there a reducible term? Yes. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 upon 8. Answer. Now we are moving towards question number 6. Question number 6 is 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. Is there any reducible term? No. 11 3s are 33. 2 10s are 20. If you want to convert this, 21s are 20. 13. This is your mixed form. Now the last question of the second one, it is 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. Nothing reducible term. 12 4s are 48, 7 5s are 35. If you want to convert, then 35 and 35, 30, So this is our answers of question number 2, exercise 2.3. If you are having doubt related this question, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section, right? Got it, everyone? So you have seen first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh answer. Fourth, fifth, sixth, got it? I hope all of you have written. Now can you move towards question number 3? Our question number 3 is multiply the following fractions. Same as the question number 2 was there. We have to change the mixed fraction and then we have to do the multiplication. I hope all of you have written this answer. I will solve from the question of this question number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Multiply the following fraction. Multiply the following fractions. First question. Third question. 2 by 5 into 5 into 1 by 4. 2 by 5 into 5 into 1 by 4. First of all, 2 by 5 into 5 into 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 5. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. 2 2s are 4. So 21, 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 21 by 10. Got it? So by this way can we solve all the questions? Here there are total 7 questions. If you can solve all these 7 questions, then very good. I am solving 1 2 questions, so you will be benefited. The second one is 6 into 2 by 5. 6 into 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Into 7 by 9. So what we'll do here? 6 into 5 plus 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. 6 5 are 30 plus 2. 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Nothing reducible term. 2 7s are 14. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22 by 9 5s are 45. Now, if you want to convert these into the mixed fraction, then what you will do? 224 here, 45 here. 4s are 5 4s are 20, 2, 16 to 18. It can be 5s also, right? Not 4s are. 4 5s are, 45 are 200 and 220 will come, right? So till 5s are we can divide. 5. 5 5s are 25. 2, 5 4s are 22. Oh, then 25 it will come. 225. Sorry. It was enough till 4 only, right? So 45 4s are. 5 4s are 20, 2, 16 to 18. 4, 12 minus 8, 4. So what we will write? 4 into 44 by 40. Got it? So this is your answer, as you can see, and you can solve it also. Now, I hope that all of you are understanding. Rest 3-4 questions are there that you have to solve by yourself. I hope all of you are understanding this concept. If you are having doubt related to this concept, then please put your doubt into the comment box section. I can solve in the next video. And I hope that all of you are liking this video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. That's all for today. Thank you very much.